So there's not gonna be any pretty way to eat this. I just wanted to show you another way that you can use your cottage cheese in a wrap. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. So I'm back with another cottage cheese recipe. This time it's gonna be a 2-ingredient power wrap. I decided to give this recipe a try after seeing it all over my For You page. Alright, so let me know in the comments, have you seen this on your For You page? Do you know what I'm talking about? Or is this the first time you're even hearing anything about a 2-ingredient power wrap? Okay, now, for this recipe, as I mentioned earlier, it is going to require just some cottage cheese, 1 cup of cottage cheese, and 2 eggs. I'll be adding some seasoning. That is completely optional. So if you omit the seasonings, then it really is only 2 ingredients. Okay, fingers crossed that I haven't lost your attention. I'm going to go ahead and make the power wrap. I have 2 eggs, my measuring cup, cottage cheese, and this Blendjet personal blender. I recently did a review on this, so I'll link that video as well. Oh, and then I'm just using this 14 spices seasoning. I love it. Okay, so I'll start off by cracking my eggs here. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of cottage cheese. I recently came across these collapsible measuring cups and I absolutely love them. Here, but I think this is gonna make a mess, so. I'm gonna add my spices here. You can really add whatever you want. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. All right, let's blend it. Okay, I just want to make sure everything is nice and blended. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay, so everything is blended pretty well. All right, so from here, I have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to pour this mix on the parchment paper. But to avoid it sticking, I'm going to spray it with a little bit so that it doesn't stick. And then you just pour this on your parchment paper. Sorry about that, my memory card was full. I had to delete a couple clips. Okay. So I am pouring this on the parchment paper. And then it's gonna go in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes. All right guys, so it's been about 40 minutes or so. I literally just took this out the oven. I'm gonna let it cool for a sec. and then I'm going to make a wrap. As I mentioned earlier, I baked this on 350 for about 40 minutes. I checked it at 30 minutes and it wasn't quite done yet. I'm gonna peel it off the parchment paper. It's gonna stick a little bit, but that's okay. That's why I was saying it's important to coat it with the cooking spray. Okay, so here's what it looks like. All right, 2 ingredient protein wrap. Okay, so I'm gonna add some Caesar dressing here. Some lettuce. I made some salmon earlier today, so I'm just gonna dump that in there. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on here. And now for the best part, I'm gonna wrap this up like so. All right, guys. So there's not gonna be any pretty way to eat this. I just wanted to show you another way that you can use your cottage cheese in a wrap. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. If you're a fan of cottage cheese, go ahead and give this recipe a try. I also have a recipe for 2 ingredient cottage cheese chips on the channel, so be sure to check that out as well. And if you have any recipes or a product that you'd like for me to review, you can email me at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.